writing the programs and executing the program. In simple, while working with the Eclipse, we are taking care about in considering that or mentioning that writing the programs and then mentioning that executing with the program. The one will be taking with writing with the programs and then mentioning that executing the program. Now, see the requirement. What exactly our program requirement? The program requirement is while writing the program, while writing the program, we have to take care about, we need to take care about in representing the data. Nothing but defining the data. At the time of at the time of writing with the program, at the time of writing with the program, we have to take care about in representing with the data. In the same way, in the same way, at the time of execution, at the time of execution also, we need to take care about at the time of execution also, we need to take care about in representing the data. See the requirement, see the understanding. While writing with the program, we need to represent the data. While executing the program, we need to represent the data. So we have to take care about, we need to take care about in understanding. We need to take care about in understanding that representing with the data, nothing but defining the data. At the time of writing the program, we need to define the data, or at the time of executing the program, we need to define the data. Further, writing with the program, at the time of writing with the program, representing the data, that part we are very clear on that, that will be taking with, that will be taking with int a equal to 10, or you can consider that taking with int b equal to 20. That will be continued. But now requirement is, see the understanding, see the understanding. This part we are already knowing it, considering that data type, and this is variable, and this is variable value. So use of data types and variables, use of data types and variables, representing the data. The use of data types and variables, considering the representing the data. Okay. Now, in the same way, while executing the program, in the same way, while executing the program, we have to take care about in representing the data, considering that int a comma b, which need to be get considering that int a comma b. Now, see the understanding. This is, we need to be get mentioning that, this is, we need to be get mentioning that data type, and these are considered that variable, and then we need to be get provide, we need to be get provide that particular variable value. See the whole understanding. We are taking care about working with Eclipse. While working with the Eclipse, taking care about writing with the data and taking care about executing with the program. While writing the program, chances of representing the data. At the same time, while executing the program, we need to represent the data. While writing the program, That part is very clear. You are taking care about data type and variable and providing that particular variable value. At the same time, you are taking care about executing the program. While executing the program, we need to take care about in providing data type and variables. This particular variable value, this particular variable value, we need to provide. We need to provide in runtime. We need to provide in runtime. Nothing but we need to be get provide at the time of execution. We have to take care about in providing at the time of executing. While executing the program, while executing with the program, it will be asking that while executing the program, it will be asking that to provide a value and b value. You have to take care about in entering that particular a and b value. Okay. Now, while entering that particular a values and b values, you have to take care about in providing from keyboard. You need to be get enter. You need to be get enter that particular value from keyboard. So if you want to enter the data, if you want to enter the data from keyboard, previously we are utilizing one statement. Previously we done with the statement mentioning the system dot out dot println. Previously, we done with the statement mentioning that system dot out dot println, which is taking care about in printing with the statement. Nothing but it has been taking care about in providing with output here. System dot out dot println, it has been taking care about in providing with output. In the same way, we are using with the statement considering that system dot in. What is it? System dot in. Previously, we got system dot out, which is giving with the output, taking care about in printing that particular output. Now we are taking with system dot in, which is taking care about input. This particular system dot in, it is taking care about, it has been taking care about in providing with input. One, it will be taking with output. Another one, it will be taking with input. So two things we got. One will be taking with system dot out dot println, and another one it will be taking with system dot in. In simple, we got two options. In simple, we got two options. One will be taking with system dot out dot println, another one system dot in. System dot out giving the output, system dot in which it will be taking with input here. Now, as simple as your whole understanding, if you want to be get accept the values from keyboard, your whole understanding, if you want to get accept the values from keyboard, you have to take care about using the statement of system dot in. In simple, we can understand it while doing the programming. While doing the programming, if you want to be get enter the values from keyboard. If you want to get enter the values from keyboard, you have to take care about utilizing with system dot in. See the understanding? if I'm taking with Eclipse, what is the use of Eclipse? What is the use of Eclipse? Writing the programs and executing the program. While writing the program, chances of representing the data. While executing the program, chances of representing the data. Writing the program, you are taking care about in defining data type and variable. While executing the program, you are just providing data type and variable. That particular variable you need to provide in runtime. Providing the data in runtime, nothing but you need to accept the values from keyboard. For accepting the values from keyboard, for accepting the values from keyboard, what is the statement we are using? What is the statement we are using? System.in. So your whole understanding, whenever you are working with the programming according to your program requirement, according to your program requirement, if you want to get accept the values from keyboard, if you want to get accept the values from keyboard, then you have to take care about system.in. What is the use of system.in? What is the use of system.in? Input, nothing but accepting the values from keyboard. The use of system.in, purpose of system.in, accepting the values from keyboard. So whenever you want to get, accept the values, whenever you want to get accept the values from keyboard, you are taking care about in using system.in. So the whole concept, just understand in the simple way, according to your requirement, if you want to accept the values from keyboard, what do you have to use it? What do you have to use it? System.in. So what is the use of system.in? Accepting the values from keyboard. So what is the use of system.in? Accepting the values from keyboard. Up to that, okay. Up to that, we are clear. The first thing we got understand that. The first thing we got understand that according to the programming, if you want to get accept the values from keyboard, if you want to get accept the values from keyboard, then you are taking care about in using with the statement considering the system.in. So what is the use of system.in? Accepting the values from keyboard. That is what our requirement. That is what the heading you written. What is the heading you written? Accepting the values from, runtime and providing the values from keyboard. Further, what is the statement you are using? System.in. Up to that, okay. Along with that, we got a requirement. Along with that, we got one more requirement. You are taking care about accepting the value from keyboard. That part perfectly okay. Along with that, the requirement is while accepting, we need to validate. You are accepting the values from keyboard. That part perfectly okay. But while accepting the values from keyboard, the requirement is we need to validate nothing but we need to cross check, we need to validate value is integer or not. See the understanding? See the understanding. You are accepting the values from keyboard. That part perfectly okay. But while accepting, before accepting, we need to validate. We need to cross check that value is integer or not. If it is a integer, we need to accept. If it is not an integer, it has to give an error. So according to our requirement, how we can confirm or how we can decide this is an integer value and this is not like integer value. When the program is executing, our program, it has to validate value is integer or not. If it is integer, it has to accept. If it is not integer, it has to give an error. So how exactly we can do that? Previous requirement, very straightforward. That is system.in. That is very straightforward. There is no issue at all. In simply what saying that. What is the use of system.in? Use of system.in. Accepting the values from keyboard. Now, along with that, our requirement, we need to validate, value is, value is integer or not. We have to take care about, we need to take care about in validating value is integer or not. If it is an integer, we need to accept. If it is not integer, it has to give an error. So how we can do that? How exactly we can take care about that particular activity? That is what we need to be get understand our main concept. That is what we need to be get understand the whole programming activity as part of Java developer or tester, Selenium, Java, or any other programming. Whenever we are working on programming, how we can take care about, how we can make our programming more easy, more comfortable according to the real-time standards, how we can make more easy of programming. Or if I'm considering developer, if you just consider developer, how developers are doing the programming in the very simple way. What exactly the whole programming standards need to be followed. How we can do or how we can work on programming in the very simple way. Let's say that. Let's understand all that particular part as simple. Previously, you done with manual testing. Done or not? Remembered? Remembered or not, guys? What you remembered? Manual testing. Okay. In the manual testing, you done the concept of STLC. Remembered? Okay. What is the meaning of STLC? Software testing life cycle. Okay. According to the STLC, what is the first step you done? First step, requirements, understanding. After that, what is it? Second one, test plan. After that, test scenarios. After that, test cases. After that, test execution. After that, what is it? Bug reporting. After that, test closure. Meaning of test cases? Yeah. Meaning of the test cases. Meaning of test scenarios? I'm getting multiple answers, guys. Meaning of test scenarios? Test cases? Test execution? Comparison of? Yeah. I'm getting multiple answers. Comparison of expected with actual, actual with expected, expected with actual. Meaning of expected result? Yeah. Meaning of expected result based on requirement document. Meaning of actual result based on application. If both the results are same, pass. Both the results are not same. In case of pass, I'll go with another test case. In case of fail, what is it? Bug reporting. Meaning of bug reporting? What is it? Documenting the issue. Okay. Now, all these things are perfectly okay. But my first doubt is, my first question, on which basis you are doing the manual testing? Yeah. On which basis you are doing the manual testing? Manual testing then basis kon perform cheyali. What is it? Yeah. Project. You done the manual testing, right? Done or not, guys? Okay. As you done the manual testing, my first question, on which basis we have to do the manual testing? Manual testing deni basis kon cheyali? Based on client requirements, nothing but requirement documents. Yes or no? Or any doubt in that? No doubt in that. Okay. Based on requirement document, we are taking care about in getting started with our manual testing. So according to our understanding, manual testing started from requirements understanding. Now, all you guys has been considered as a tester. Yes or no? So as a tester, first activity you are taking care about in understanding the requirement. Perfectly okay. Now just assume that you are not clear about the requirement. If you are not clear about the requirement, can we go with doing our testing activity? You are referring the requirement. As you are referring the requirement, you are not very clear about the requirement. You have some confusion. You have some doubt in the requirement. So if you are not clear about the requirement, can we go with our testing activity? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? No. Even though requirements are provided, if you are not clear about that requirement, we cannot continue our testing activity. It can be testing, it can be testing or development. Both will be the same. It can be tester or it can be developer. It can be tester or it can be developer. What is the first activity need to be done? What is the first activity? Requirements understanding. Assume that you want to work as a developer or you want to make your programming more easy, more comfortable. If you want to go with programming more easy, more comfortable, the first activity you have to take care about requirements understanding. Without clear about the requirement, you cannot understand that, what is the logic need to write for that program. You cannot understand that what is the logic need to write that program. Because of that, you may consider developer, tester, you may work on Java, Selenium, anything. While doing the programming, first you need to be very clear about what is your program requirement. You need to be very clear about what is your program requirement. As an example, our program requirement, first requirement is we have to take care about accepting the values from keyboard. Our first requirement, we have to take care about accepting the values from keyboard. Second requirement, we need to validate. Value is integer or not. We need to validate value is integer or not. See the understanding, see the requirement. If I'm taking with the requirement, according to our program requirement, we have to take care about doing the programming as part of programming requirement. Our requirement in the two steps. What is the first step? Accepting the values from keyboard. What is the second step? Validating value is integer or not. Accepting the values from keyboard. That is very straightforward. How we can do that? We'll do that. System.in. If you want to accept the value from keyboard, very straightforward. You will be taking care about in doing system.in. In the same way, we got a second requirement. What is the second requirement? Validating value is integer or not. We need to validate value integer or not. So let's see that how we can take care about this activity. Now let's come to our conclusion. How we can take care about in working with programming, how we can take care about doing the programming more easy and more comfortable. Let's see that. See the understanding. Whenever we are taking care about the programming, first you need to be very clear about what is the requirement. Once you are clear about the requirement, you have to take care about, in performing the required action. According to the requirement, you need to perform the required action. Okay. Now, according to the programming, based on our understanding, if you want to perform the action, how you can perform? If you want to perform the action, how you can perform the action? According to the programming తో వర్క్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఒక యాక్షన్ పర్ఫామ్ చేయాలి. If you want to perform the action, how you can perform the action? What is it? By using method. See the understanding. Online students also be active. See the understanding. To perform the action, we are taking with method. This part we are clear. What is the use of the method? To perform action. What kind of action? Any kind of action. If we want to be get perform, any kind of action, you are taking care about method. Okay. Now see the understanding. That method, how many types? 2 types. That method we got 2 types. What are the 2 types? The one you will be taking with predefined, and another one, what is it? User defined. Okay. Meaning of the predefined? Defined by the language. Meaning of user defined? Defined by the user. Okay. Now see that if I'm taking the user defined, what is the meaning of user defined? Defined by the user. Who are the users? We are the users. According to our previous program, we are already created some methods. What are the methods we created? M1 method, M2 method, M3 method. According to our program requirement, previously we are already created the methods by taking with M1 method, M2 method, M3 method. Okay. Up to this, perfectly okay. Now, continued with the same. We are already created the method. Where we created that methods? Methods ఎక్కడ క్రియేట్ చేశారు? Where you created the method? Inside of the class. All the methods we created inside of the class. As an example, we given the class name. What is the class name we provided? Hello. According to our requirement, all the methods we provided in class. Okay. We already created the class also. This class, where we created? Inside of the package. That is what we given the package name, considering the Java examples. That is what we done. If we look into our previous programming, we are already taking care about done with these things. Here we got created one particular package. Under that particular package, we got taking care about creating the class. Under the class, we got taking care about method. That means our first understanding our first understanding how we can perform the action. Action ela perform cheyali by using method. That method available in class. That class available in class available in package. See the whole programming. See the whole programming concept. First is need to perform the action. To perform the action, we are taking the method. Method available in class. That class available in package. Either we are doing or this particular Java guys has been doing. We mention predefined. Meaning of predefined? Meaning of predefined? Defined by the language. Already Java guys has been created thousands of methods, n number of methods. How we created our own methods according to our requirement, according to the Java requirement. Java guys has been already created thousands of methods, n number of methods. In that, as an example, the one method we got, method name. What is the method name? What is the method name? nextInt. The nextInt is one predefined method. nextInt is one predefined method which is already created by Java guys. M1 method we created, defined by the user. We created nextInt method defined by the language, predefined method. In simple, this M1 user defined method, this nextInt consider as a predefined method. According to our understanding, in our program, whenever you are calling the M1 method, whenever you are executing M1 method, what is the result you got? If you are calling this M1 method, what is the output you got? Yeah. You already created this method. You executed this method. If you execute the method name of M1, what is the result you got? What is the result you got? M1 executed, printing the statement of M1 executed, because that is the logic we written. That is what the statement we perform. We just printing one statement. Because of that, whenever we are calling the method name, when we are accessing the method name of M1, what is output we are getting? M1 executed. That means the method name of M1, is performing the action of printing the statement of M1 executed. That is what the action it is performing with M1. That is the logic we written. In the same way, we got the predefined method. What is that predefined method? nextInt. nextInt is one predefined method performing the action of validating. What is it? Validating value is integer or not. The nextInt method is considered one predefined method. nextInt method is considered one predefined method performing the action of validating value is integer or not. What is the code they written? We are not worried. What is the logic written in this method? You are not worried. Just need to be understand that what is the action performed by that method. What is the action performed by that method? So we got the method. What is the method name we got? nextInt method. So what is the use of nextInt method? What is the use of nextInt method? Validating value is integer or not. So if I'm taking with nextInt method, it has been taking care about in performing or in validating value is integer or not. Okay. So that particular Java guys, they created the method as usual. Method created in class. Either we are creating, Java guys are creating, or our KCR also creating. KCR will write method. They are already too busy now. So they don't have a time to learn the Java. Okay. Now, if I'm taking with method, always whoever doing the programming according to the programming, always method need to be available in class. What is the class name we provided? Hello, that is according to our comfortable. According to our requirement, we provided class name is hello. In the same way, Java guys also provided one class name, provided one particular class name. What is the class name? Scanner. nextInt, one predefined method. Scanner, one predefined class. Which is already created by Java people. The Java guys, they created the method of nextInt. That method of nextInt provided in the class name of scanner. Okay. After that, according to our understanding, class will be available in class provided in package. What is the package name we provided? What is our package name? Java examples, according to our comfortable, according to our requirement. In the same way, Java guys provided the package name considering that java.util.scanner. Java.util.scanner. So now, how we done the programming? Java guys also followed with the same, and already they done with all that programming that will be taking with method. That particular method always method need to be available in class. That particular class need to be available in package. See the whole understanding. So according to this particular programming, the whole concept, the whole understanding in simple, requirement is need to perform the action. Okay, action perform cheyali. To perform the action, taking the help of method. That method available in class. That class available in package. That package available in that is not project. That is part 2 is there. For now, let me complete part 1. Part 2 you will understand in further. For now, you need to be get comfortable up to this concept. Package available in, that is the next level, that is the next level, that you will understand. But for now, be clear up to the package. Be clear up to the package. So see the understanding. See the understanding. In simple, we can say that, we can consider that requirement is need to perform the action. To perform the action, what we are using? What you are using? Method. What kind of method? Any kind of the method. It can be any kind of the method. That method available in, that method available in class, class available in, class available in package. Okay. Up to that. Okay. Now come to the second level. Come to the second level. Now we are knowing what is a method, what is a class, what is a package. Once we know that information, once we know that particular details, we have to take care about in accessing the method. We have to take care about in accessing the method. Method access చేయాలి. How we can access the method? How we can access the method? What is it? By using object. We need to access the method. We need to access the method by using object. We need to access the method by using object. In simple, method accessible by, method accessible by, how you are accessing the method? Method ఎలా access చేయాలి? By using object, by using the object, by taking the help of object, we are accessing the method. Perfectly okay. In the same way, we need to access the class. We need to access the class. That class you are accessing by taking the help of importing package. You need to take care about, you need to take care about accessing the class, accessing the class by importing package. See the understanding? See the understanding. Method accessible by object. Class accessible by, class accessible by importing the package. Now you can see here. Now we can see here. We came for the whole conclusion. We came for the whole conclusion. See that. See the whole understanding. See the whole understanding. Our requirement is need to go with programming. Programming work చేయాలి. Either developer, tester, Java, Selenium, anyone, we have to take care about in doing the programming. If you want to do the programming, what is the first activity? What is the first activity? You have to take care about in understanding the requirement. Whenever you want to do the programming, first you have to take care about in understanding the requirement. Without understanding the requirement, without clear about the requirement, you cannot think about what is the logic need to be written. So be very clear about requirements understanding. Once you are clear about requirement, once you are clear about requirement, according to the requirement, according to the requirement, you need to perform action. To perform the action, what you will use? Method. That method available in, that method available in class, class available in package. That means in simple, while doing the programming, you need to understand what is the method need to use it, what is the class you have to use it, what is the package you have to use it. Once you know these three information, then you can easily do the programming by taking care about accessing the method. How you can access a method? How you can access a method? How you can access a method? By using object. What kind of method? What kind of method? Any kind of method. Any kind of method you want to access. Take the help of object. After that, you need to get access for class. You need to get access for class. So how you can get access for class? How you can get access for class? By importing the package. You need to be get access for the class by importing the package. So don't be confused about all the things here. Your programming more simple, more easy. Just see how to take care about in understanding what is your requirement. Once you are clear about the requirement, according to that particular requirement, you need to understand what is the method you have to use it. Once you are clear about the method, you need to understand what is the class you have to use it. Once you are clear about the class, you need to understand what is the package you have to use it. If you know the method name, if you know the class name, if you know the package name, if you are aware of these three, what is the method name, what is the class name, what is the package name. If you are aware of these three things, just you will take care about creating the object, or you will be taking care about importing the package. You will perform these two and you will continue doing the programming. According to that, see the understanding. My requirement is I want to access next method. nextInt method access చేయాలి. So what I can do? My requirement is I want to access the nextInt method. nextInt method in access చేయాలి. So what I have to do? What you will do, guys? I want to access nextInt method. nextInt method access చేయాలి. If I want to access this method, what I need to do? Object need to be created. For which class I need to object? Is that scanner class or is that hello class? Scanner class, hello class. Scanner class, hello class. Why scanner class? Why not hello class? This is also class, right? This is a class, this is a class. Both are class only. Then why not I can create object for hello class and access a method? Oh, that can be, but those are methods only, right? Okay. Otherwise, I want to access method name of M1. I want to access method name of M1. M1 method access చేయాలి. So what I need to do? If I want to access M1 method, what I need to do? Create an object. For which class I need to create object? Hello class or scanner class? Hello class or scanner class? Hello or scanner class? Why hello? Why I need to create for hello class only? Why not I can create for scanner class and then access this method? Yeah. System.in, that is totally different. My simple doubt is I want to access nextInt method. nextInt method access చేయాలి. If I want to access this method, what I need to do? I need to create object. Object create చేయాలి. For which class I have to create object? Scanner class. So you guys are saying that object need to be created for scanner class. Now my doubt is, why can't I create object for hello class and access the nextInt method? Yes or no, guys? Uh-huh. Okay. See the understanding. See the understanding. You guys has been done with the school. School done or not? Or direct BTech only? School is done or not, guys? Okay. When you guys has been done with the school, you will be having lot of school friends will be there here. Assume that you are studying fifth class. Which class? Just assume that you are studying the fifth class. Okay. Classroom number 5. What is the classroom number? 5. Okay. Your best friend, your best friend is available in the sixth class here. Which class? Sixth class. Room number 6. Your room number 5. Your friend room number 6. Okay. Your best friend is available in which room? Classroom number 6. You are available in classroom number 5. Now, you have been decided that you want to discuss with your friend. So, if you want to discuss with your friend, by sitting in the classroom number of 5, can you discuss with your friend? Is that possible or not? Yes, sir, no, guys. Yes, sir, no. Mobile is there, sir. We'll do that, sir. But in the school, there is no mobile, right? In the school, there is no mobile. Mobile is not allowed. So then what you will do? Now, if you want to discuss with your friend, what you will do? What you have to do, guys? It's mandatory that you have to go to classroom number 6. You have to visit classroom number 6. You have to go to that class. Then only you can discuss with your friend. By sitting in the classroom number 5, you cannot discuss with your friend here. That means, in simple, in which classroom your friend is available. In which classroom your friend is available. You have to go to that classroom and then you need to discuss with your friend. The same thing applied here also. The same thing applied in Java. In simple, you need to understand that. You need to understand that in which class method is available. You need to understand that in which class your method is available. If I'm taking nextInt method available in which class? Which class? Scanner class. Because of that, object to be created for which class? Which class? Scanner class. If I take M1 method available in which class? Hello class. So object to be created for which class? Yeah. M1 method available in which class? M1 method available in which class? Hello class. So if you want to access M1 method, for which class you will create object? For which class will create object? Hello class here. As simple as you need to understand that in which class method is available. In your school, how you decided in which class your friend is available. In the same way, in the programming, you need to understand in which class the method is available. You need to go to that class and you need to create an object here. So that is what the whole concept here. So don't be confused at all. Don't be confused at all. According to the programming, you need to understand that in which class your methods are available. Then you have to take care about creating the object for that class only. Now, let's consider developer. Let's take the high-tech city. You're already knowing the high-tech city. Knowing or not? Yes or no? No, not visited. You have to visit. You need to visit the high-tech city if you're not knowing it. Now, in the high-tech city, developers will be there. There or not? In the high-tech city, developers will be there. All the developers, they will be saying that, Abba, we are doing lot of hard work here. What is the lot of hard work developers will be doing? See that what is the hard work they will do. What is the hard work they will be doing is, first, they will understand. requirement. Each and every developer, first they'll understand the requirement. What is the requirement? Once they understand the requirement, they will open the Google. What they will open? What they will open? Google. They will open one browser. In that browser, they will open the Google page. In the Google page, they are already clear about the requirement. As they are already clear about the requirement, what the developer will be doing is, according to the requirement, he will be searching for what is the method, for that particular requirement. Just will take care about, in searching with method name to perform that action. Method name to perform that action. Then Google developer take this method. Google will give the method here. Google will give the method or not? It will give the method. Done. Now developer, he got the method name. Yes or no? As he got the method name, now developer what he will do is, he will open one more browser. In the first browser, he was searching for, in the Google, what he was searching? Method. He already got the method, right? He will copy that method and then he open the second browser. In the second browser, he will paste that method. And then he will be asking the Google, what is the class name for this method? Then the Google will provide, what he will provide? Class name. Now developer got method name and developer got class name. Now he will copy class name. Once he got copy class name, he will open one more browser. Previously, how many browsers? Two browsers. In one browser, method. Another browser, class. Now he open one more browser. Totally how many browsers? Three browsers. Guys. Total three browsers. In the third browser, he will provide class name. Again, he will be asking the Google, what is the package name for this class here? Then Google, what it will provide? Package name. Now developer got, what are the things he got? Method name, class name, package name. Three things he got it. So developer got what is the method name, what is the class name, what is the package name. So first he will make a note of these three things. He will make a note of method name and then class name and then package name. Then he will start doing his actual work, doing his hard work here. What is the hard work he will be doing is, here already knowing method name, class name, package name. He know all the details. Now he want to access a method. How he can access a method? By using object. He need to create the object. So he will be doing the hard work of creating the object. For creating the object, we were already knowing the syntax. What is the syntax? To create object, what is the syntax we will follow? Class name. Syntax, guys. Object created and syntax same follow wali. Class name, object name equal to new class name. It will follow the same. It will create object. But before creating the object, it will take care about in importing the package. That is what exact hard work they will be doing. In simple, they will do the copy paste only. By doing the copy paste, all the people in the high-tech city, they will be acting that we are doing lot of hard work here. In future also, we will be doing the acting that doing lot of hard work here. But if you want to do that acting, first what you have to do? Acting. For doing that acting, first you have to do the hard work here. You have to take care about in doing with the hard work of in clearing the interview here. You may get in a doubt. Sir, everything you are saying that available in the Google only, then why we need to come to the training, that too attending in the 5:30 p.m. session and then seeing the mobiles in the classrooms also, why we need to do all these things here? So why you are coming to the sessions and doing all these things? As real time everything available in the Google, you are doing the copy and paste only. You are already knowing how to open the Google also. As you are already knowing that, why you are doing this training then? ట్రైనింగ్ ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నారు? ఆహా! ఆహా! అయ్యా! ఆన్‌లైన్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఆహా! సురేష్ సార్ విల్ గివ్ షార్ట్ కట్. ఆ! ఆహా! No, you got the concept or not? As part of the real time, according to the real time, everything copy paste only. So you will be copying from the Google and then you will paste from the Google. Everything available in real time, everything already available in the Google. It's not like you guys need to do any major hard work here. Just you will open the Google, you will copy it, you will paste it. Copy paste is very most important here. That is what you have to practice also. But the reason you are doing the training, what is the reason? Uh-huh. The reason you are doing the training program is for getting the job. What you have to do? Uh-huh. For getting the job, what you have to do? You need to attend the interview, right? Yes or no, guys? Or interview also copy and paste they will do. No, right. Interview copy paste is not done. That kind of market is not there. Previously, we have that kind of advantage also. Previously, when we are doing the job search, we are having lot of friends. We are already done part also. In interview also, we done copy paste here. How we done the copy paste means, basically what we done is, at that time, we used to have an option of to get 2 offer letters or 3 offer letters. At that particular time, we used to get in a jobs. We done with that kind of hard work. Even we also done with the same thing. I also done same thing. In some time, I'm having 3 offer letters. What is my name? So I have been searching with the people who has been having the same name and doing the job search. For that particular people, sending that offer letter, he is joining in the company here. That kind of games also we played it here. So we done with a lot of things. That is a different part here. But you guys don't think about all that kind of activities here. Okay. So we can do a lot of things in IT, guys. In IT, lot of things we can do. I mean, we done all these kind of things in the Pune location. I used to done the job in Pune. So in that Pune, we done these kind of things also. I mean, the one who are having the multiple offer letters, rather than wasting that offer letter, why we need to waste that offer letter? Because all the Telugu people anyway available in one particular area, the people will be available. So we are asking the people who is matching with my name, and then we are modifying the required things, and that people joined in the company, and that people already working now manager also. Okay. So that kind of things has been done. That is a different. The whole conclusion, why you need to take learning with all these particular things. Yes. Agenda. Just the 9 years. Right. See that. See the understanding. The reason you have to take care about doing this particular training program, you need to attend the interview. While attending with the interview, in front of interviewer, you need to explain all the answers here. Yes or no? Or is it for interviewer, everything available in Google? I'll do copy and paste. I'm expertise in copy and paste. Is that will give that answer? No, right. If you want to clear the interview, you have to take care about all these practice here. It's not like just clearing the interview. In the real time, you have to survive. Copy and paste perfectly okay. That everyone will be doing it. But that copy and paste also need to done in the correct way here. That copy and paste also you have to take care about in doing in the very correct way. So as simple as first you need to be very clear about what are all that particular concept. Then only you can easily survive in the IT job. So because of that, first be very clear looking into the requirement according to the requirement. నెక్స్ట్ సాటర్డే వరకు ఉంటుంది. సాటర్డే క్లాస్ ఉంటుంది. ఈ సాటర్డే క్లాస్ ఉంటుంది. సండే టు సండే. Right. See that. See the understanding. So as part of this particular whole programming, the whole conclusion, what I'm trying to explain is either you are taking care about Java, Selenium, developer, tester, whatever it can be. First, try to be clear in understanding what is the requirement. Once you are clear about the requirement, get it understand what are the actions to be performed. To perform that action, understand that what is the method you have to use it. Once you know the method name, understand that what is that particular class. For that particular class, you need to take care about the package. See the requirement. I want to take care about nextInt method. What is the functionality of nextInt method? Yeah. Functionality of nextInt method. What is it? Validating value is integer or not. If I'm taking with nextInt method, the functionality or the purpose of nextInt method, we can say that validating value is integer or not. So this nextInt method is one predefined method available in which class? Scanner class. The scanner class available in which package? java.util.scanner. Okay. See the understanding. If I want to access the nextInt method access cheyali. If I want to access the nextInt method, what I need to do? Create an object. Create an object for which class? For which class? Scanner class, allow class. Scanner class, allow class. Scanner class. Why scanner class? Why scanner class? nextInt method available in scanner class. Because of that, we need to create an object for scanner class. To get access for the scanner class, what is the package I need to import? What is the package I need to import? java.util.scanner. So we need to take care about importing that particular package that will be taking with java.util.scanner. Say that. Writing with the simple program. If you want to write the very simple program, just I'll be taking care about in performing addition of two numbers. Just I'll take care about in performing addition of two numbers. Now assume that you are taking care about writing with the program that will be taking with main method. As usual, you are taking care about writing with main method. Now I'm providing int a value, b value. I want to perform addition of two numbers. One number I'll take in A, another number I'll take in B. One number I'll go with A, another number I'll go with the B. and then taking with one more variable. What is that variable? C. The another variable we are taking with C. Why we need to take variable of C? As we are performing addition of two numbers, one number I'll go with the A, another number I'll go with the B. Why we need to take variable of C? The result. That result, once we are doing the addition, that result we need to store. That result we need to store in the variable of C. Because of that, we are taking with variable of C. Okay. Now we need to get access for method. How we can get access for method? How we'll get access for method? By creating object. I want to access nextInt method. If I want to access nextInt method, so here for which class we need to create object? For which class? Scanner class. To create object, what is the syntax I will follow? Class name, object name equal to new class name. So what is that class name we are using? Scanner. We are taking with class name is scanner, object name, any name equal to taking with new scanner. Okay, but it is giving an error. Why it is giving error? Class name different. If you want to access the class, how you can access the class? Yeah. If you want to access the class access cheyali. How you can access the class? What is it? Import package. If you want to access the class, this is one predefined class. Scanner is one predefined class. If you want to access that class, we need to import that package. So that package name, what is that package name? Import org dot, sorry, not org dot, java dot util dot scanner. If you are taking with that particular package, that I will be taking with java dot util dot scanner. So that is what I will be using. Now we need to accept values from keyboard. How we can accept the values from keyboard? How you can accept the values from keyboard? How you can accept the values from keyboard? System.in. We need to take care about system.in. If we want to accept the values from keyboard, we need to take care about system.in. First, we are accepting from keyboard. While accepting from the keyboard, we need to validate it is integer or not. How we can validate it is integer or not? How you will validate value is integer or not? What is the method name, guys? nextInt. To validate value is integer or not, you need to take care about the method name nextInt. So that value I'm assigning to the variable of A by taking the object. I'm accessing the method. What is the method? nextInt. What is the functionality of nextInt? Validating value is integer or not. To access this method, I'm taking the class. What is the class name? Scanner. For this class name, I'm using the package. What is the package? Java.util.scanner. Everything predefined. nextInt is one predefined method. Scanner is one predefined class. This is one predefined package. Java guys already created this method. This method created in class. This class created in this package here. Okay. And then we will be taking with B equal to taking with nextInt. The need to be get perform addition that we will be taking with A plus B and then taking care about printing that particular addition that we will be taking with C. This is how we can take care about. This is how we can take care about in utilizing this particular statement. This is how we can take care about in utilizing the method and then class and package. So don't be confused about all the things here. The whole conclusion you guys need to be understand in the simple way you want to perform the action. Okay, action perform cheyali. How you can perform the action? How you will perform the action? By using what happened, guys? Thinking about Dasra vacation, huh? How we will perform the action? Method. If we want to perform the action, taking the method available in